for sure.
So that brings me to the question of what about the size of material we're working on? Because I see the gantry, we've got this big bed, but we're more freeform in the galvo. Tell me more about that.
So theoretically, with a galvo, you could go as big as you want as long as you have enough power behind the laser, because we're throwing it down instead of the laser head being right there. But the problem with that is the further you have to project that laser beam, the larger your dot size. And we don't want to draw with a dot the size of a Coke can. So there ends up being limits on our workspaces, right? And there's a lot of great f theta lenses out there that can get you 12-inch workspaces, 16-inch workspaces, even if you have the money to dump into that. But the beauty of gantry is that the rails, you just make them longer. You can make the rails as long as you want. You can basically go wherever you need to go, which is why we see like 4 by 8 foot CO2 gantry lasers. Those exist. We don't really see that in the galvo world. There are special applications where you get very large f theta lenses for, like, when they mark denim at the denim factory, they're wearing the jeans down, like, when you buy them worn already, that's done with a CO2 or a CO2 galvo laser. So they're actually shooting that projected beam across the room and like marking down entire pairs of jeans at once. But that's very specialized, and that's not something you're going to see typically in the laser marking industry. So there are size limitations. Generally, you're looking, for most lasers in most situations, for the average user's budget, between like 4 and 10 inches is pretty average. So you're not working with gantry sizes most of the time, but you do get the speed benefit. So there's plus and minuses to both worlds.